Oh, Godspeed, my friends. The clouds just rolled in and getting that winter weather advisory for Boulder. So gonna hurry and find a nice little camp spot tucked in somewhere, hopefully sheltered from the wind. Oh boy. Alright guys, so for today's adventure, I'm gonna hit up GOULCH. This is nearby the P-Wing Trail. I did some reconnaissance in and it was good camping spots. So I'm gonna go check it out and hopefully there's some camping spots available. It is a Monday, so I'm sure traffic should be, little to none. So let's get out there and have a good adventure. Babies are packed up, ready to go. Alright, so we're just hitting the foothills right outside of Boulder, Colorado, and looks like the stream is freezing up. Now, I noticed there's like a winter advisory going on in the area, and my buddy also texted me saying that there's some type of winter storm going on and that, Colorado's also gonna get affected. Coincidentally, I was thinking of heading out for a camp session, which we are. And so I did some quick weather check. From what the weather said today, light snows are supposed to start happening in the area. But given weather conditions, temperature and wind speeds are supposed to be better than my last camp out. So if that holds true, it should be a chill camp session. We should manage and we'll have some light snow to enjoy. So we'll see if that works out, because you know how Mother Nature goes. Let's get it, baby. Ow! Okay guys, so we just started on the GOULCH trail. On the Onyx app, it said it was a difficulty of 2 out of 10, and so far looking pretty decent actually. A little bit snowy in the entrance, which gave for a couple cool shots. I'm gonna continue on by and look for a camp spot soon and post up. And hopefully I could get some cool cinematic shots of the mountains, because that view is looking nice. Check it out, guys. Okay, so far we've traversed about halfway through the trail and found this camp spot. It's quite big actually, which is nice, so you could like have time to react to your surroundings and whatnot, especially since we're in bear country. But it's pretty quiet so far, so digging it. Also, it's very overcast, as you can tell. I could already tell that the lights, no showers are rolling in. So also figured it's a safer bet to settle down, hunker down, and get ready for the night. And tomorrow in the morning, I can finish off the trail since it's a straight loop back to the start. So all in all, good camp off-road sesh. All right, I'm at campsite and already no signal, which is fine because, you know, I prepared. I have Starlink for the occasion. All right, let's get this baby powered up and set up. Ooh. Still has sand from the beach. Okay, connect that. I almost fell. Alright, y'all. Just had my first tragedy. RIP to my camera. It's unfortunate. I had it on the tripod, but it slipped on the ice and went face forward, crashed into the lens, and now the lens is messed up. Now the lens is unresponsive. But in the meantime, just gonna use my phone to finish off this camp session, because not gonna let this stop me. Nope. Alright guys, Starlink is up and running, so we're good on connectivity. Also, been meaning to upload a video. I'm behind on content, so I'll be able to get to that. And even though my camera broke, I almost called it quits, you know, because that's such a vibe kill. That was a nice camera. I really liked it. It was my main for filming, but gonna carry on with the phone and not gonna let that bog me down, and gonna still have a good day out of it, because, you know, it's all up here. So I moved the Jeep just to get a little more scenic spot up against the trees. It'll be perfect for that night lapse. And should also give good coverage against the wind. Now I'm gonna try to make some hot dogs. Get it, baby. Yeah. Good job, babies. Oh, you want a weenie, don't you, buddy? Don't worry, buddy. I got you. I got you, buddy. You too, Luna. I got you. You guys get a treat today for putting up with my shenanigans. Okay, y'all. Moment of truth. Let's see how good this hot dog comes out. Hell yeah, baby. Look at that steam. Hot dogs, man. Always come in clutch. Easy to make, easy to take down. I gotta watch my back, make sure nothing else takes me down. Alright, babies. You guys get a treat today for being so well behaved. So I just heard some barking way off at the distance from where I'm at. But to me, it sounds like it's probably someone's dog barking at something out in the woods. It's not too far away. I can hear it clearly. So that has me on notice. So gonna pack this up real quick and get in the Jeep and hunt down. Cause man, I can't see it anything. So always be mindful of your wildlife, guys. Check it out. Already made the bed and we're about to get cozy up in there, right babies? I know Luna's ready. Mars probably not, but we're ready to call it a night. Oh, Mars. Heck yeah. Good job, babies. Good job. Okay, y'all, shit's getting real now. I looked up latest weather report, and the same report that said Boulder shouldn't see any effects now issued more detailed information on like locations. So, for example, they stated that forecast on snowfall, and Boulder's looking like 1 to 4 inches of snowfall, so should be pretty moderate type of snow. So still no biggie as of yet, but going to keep a close eye on it while we stay the night up here. So we'll see how that goes. So far, we're nice and cozy still. We're cuddled up like penguins, so we're warm. Anyways, I'm gonna set up the time lapse and call it a night and keep y'all posted if anything happens. So, till then, and see you guys in the morning. So I woke up like around 3:30 in the morning because I heard the winds really picked up and it did get a lot colder. Like the cold is what woke me up. So I noticed Luna was shivering a bit too. So I decided to turn on the Jeep and turn on the heater a bit to get the cabin cozy. And it's now 4 a.m. and it's plenty cozy, so I'm gonna get back to chilling. But I did check the weather and it did get a lot colder. Weather showing 11 degrees but feels like 7 degrees, so that's already like way colder than my previous camp session, which was like 20 degrees, feeling like 11 degrees. But at least it's not looking hazardous like snowstorm wise. It's not even snowing. So it doesn't even look like it snowed much, so we should be good still. So gonna take a power nap before the sun rises and see what's up. Oh boy. Definitely picking up, man. Good morning from somewhere in the mountains. It is currently freezing and freezing, but it's very nice. All right, it's about to start snowing. And it looks like a lot from what I just put up on the weather report. So I'm gonna pack up and get out of here. I'm gonna still finish off the trail though. I think I still have enough time. I mean, right now it's just like light snow, so I should be more than capable to get through it. Cause yeah, I don't want to be caught in the middle of a blizzard. I was not prepared for that, so let's make the best of what I have left. Get out of here and get it, baby. Ow! Godspeed, my friends. Ow. Alright, this connects to the trailhead, so we should be in the clear now. I'm gonna post up and air back up. What's up, buddy? You're loving the winter, huh? He was made for this weather, man.